People stuff all their money into a sock. Others hide it under a floorboard. One man kept his cash frozen in an ice cube tray. You can do better than that, of course. You can put your money in a bank. There are two basic kinds of bank accounts. A savings account for money you want to save. A checking account is good for money you plan to spend. A savings account holds your money for you. When you open a savings account, you get an account number. To draw money out of or put money in, you must remember your account number. A savings account pays you interest. Banks don't pay very much interest, but you can still increase your money if you leave it in the bank for 15 to 20 years. Not all banks pay the same interest. Banks have different ways of figuring their interest. So you have to ask around and see what different banks offer. Ask each bank the same question. If I leave $100 in your bank for 1 year, how much will I have at the end of the year? A checking account lets you pay for things you are buying by writing a check. When you put your money in a checking account, the bank will give you blank checks. You can use these checks to pay for things. For example, you may give a $15 check to a shoe store. The store will send the check to your bank. Your bank will take $15 out of your account and pay the shoe store. A checking account costs you money. The bank has to do a lot of work keeping track of all your checks. You must pay for this service. Many banks charge you a service charge each month. Then they may have you pay for each check you write. This is called a service fee. A checking account helps you spend your money safely. A checking account lets you carry checks instead of cash. Your money stays safe in the bank. When you pay by mail, cash can get lost. The check is made out to one person and nobody else can cash it. A check also gives you proof of payment. When someone cashes your check, they have to prove they are the right person and they have to sign the check. The bank will send you back the signed checks if you wish. This check proves the person received your money. Savings account or checking account. You may decide to have both. A savings account for what you save and a checking account for paying your bills.
The bank will send you back the signed checks if you wish. This check proved the person received your money. Savings account or checking account. You may decide to have both. A savings account for what you save and a checking account for paying your bills.
By mail, cash can get lost. The check is made out to one man and nobody else can cash